Today, we're at our Countertop Partners fabrication facility. Let's go tour it. Hi Amir, how are you?
Hi Kelly, I'm doing all right. How are you? Welcome in.
Good. So this is our countertop partner with JSB. This is Columbus Granite, and I'm here with Amir today to show you what this place is. So Amir, can you tell us what happens here and show us around your facility?
Absolutely, absolutely. This is Columbus Granite. This is our Lewis Center location. We're here at the showroom. This is where we have the warehouse, where we keep the full-size slabs, and then we've got fabrication area in here that I'd want to show you too. This is where it all happens. We cut your slabs, we polish them, we get the countertops ready. Yeah.
Awesome. I'm excited to see it.
Of course. Yeah. So this is the showroom. This is where we greet the customer, meet them, and then get the process started. Over here we have all the discussions where we go through the sales process and the overall process and answer any questions, and we get to display some of the colors, but we have a lot more over there. This really helps customers just imagine themselves in a fully finished kitchen and how countertops interact with it. We get to discuss things like their sink selections, their edge profile selections, and how each things work with different kinds of cabinets, different kinds of backsplashes. Like we've got a kitchen here with some tiles on, we've got a kitchen there with full height splashes, some bathroom vanity displays, an office display over there. Just really helps customer imagine and kind of compare it with their project so that they come up with questions that they want to learn about, and so that we can answer them, and we can on-site in a real kitchen just kind of show them, hey, this is that and that's this, right? We also do keep some small samples of colors that are available in the from the wholesalers in this area. That being said, we do have our warehouse full of in-stock material, and I would say 80% of customers, homeowners, they like to pick from our warehouse, our stock. Yeah, we've got some colors displayed in here, but a lot more over there. So if you want it, we can check out there.
Yeah, let's see it.
All right. So this is the warehouse. This is where a lot of things happen. Customers, they do a full tour. They take pictures and then realize pictures don't do much justice to this material. And then come back, try to take more pictures, bring in samples, compare their tiles, flooring material, cabinet doors against these full-size slabs. We've got all kinds of material in here, including engineered quartz, as well as many natural varieties like granite, quartzite, dolomite, soapstone, marble, you name it. You are looking at over 200 colors, full-size slabs in stock. We have the selections over here are constantly updated as we use some slabs for projects and they become discontinued, and we purchase more slabs to display in here. Over here you will find all kinds of selections, including popular colors from wholesalers in this area, as well as some unique imports that we directly import from suppliers, from couriers.
So if I were to come in here as a customer and I look at all of these and I say, oh, I really love this color, like, am I just picking the color, or is this like my slab?
So over here, you are browsing actual slabs that we're going to be using for your project.
Oh, very cool.
Yep. That being said, on the display here, there might be multiple slabs stacked, but they are all from the same lot, from the same courier, and they've been taken from the same time. They've been couriered at the same time. from the same block. That's why they are consistent between each other.
So what is this area over here with all of the smaller pieces?
Yeah, this is our remnant aisle. These are pieces from various projects, from various slabs that we've used in the past, and the project is completed and now we've ended up with these pieces in here. They are suitable for smaller projects like bathroom amenities or basements. Full-size slabs often are better for full-sized kitchens. But that being said, remnant aisle is a popular place to browse for homeowners if they have a smaller project, and they'll have a lot of selections in here, including some discontinued options that they otherwise wouldn't see in the main aisles.
Is there a big cost difference pulling something from the remnant aisle versus a full slab, especially if for a bathroom vanity?
Right. Picking from a remnant aisle, if your project is suitable, picking from remnant aisle will help you save, because pieces from here we are able to use your project without a waste. If it was a small project and we had to cut down a whole slab, we would have to include some kind of waste factored out in there.
Yeah.
And if it's a discontinued color, often we offer them at discontinued rates. So for the most part, I can say that the remnant aisle will help you save from the costs of your remodel.
Nice. So this crane picks up the slabs like flat or vertical, or like how does the crane move the slabs?
Right. So it has a pedal that has a locking mechanism, and we would align that pedal with the center of the slab, and as we move the crane up, the locking mechanism would engage with the slab and hold it more and more tighter as we move it up, and there's more pressure towards it. This warehouse is equipped with a 5-ton crane. What that means is with bigger attachments, we can unload or load bigger bundles of 6, 7, 8 slabs at a time. All right, and then we've got the fabrication area. This is where the magic happens. We fabricate the countertops, make them all ready to go to be installed. Over here we've got a few different sections. Over here we have the fully automated CNC water jet that does a lot of the working for us. We would be loading slabs into this table over here and load poly drawings from the measurement in and set everything up and let it do its job. It can do all kinds of cuts, including straight ones, miter ones, drill holes, with precision. And then once the slab has been cut into pieces that are going to be used in the kitchen, they are then handled towards the polishing stations with the help of a crane, where polishers would be treating the stone, get it ready for installation, finish the edges, prepares any seams, seal the stone in case of natural stones. Once the fabrication has been completed, they would store ready to go pieces in this loading area where installation crews come in and load those pieces into their vehicle and start its journey towards the home, the installation address. So yeah, this is our facility where we do our magic, help homeowners in Central Ohio get beautifully finished countertops.
Thank you for having us here today and showing us around the place where our customers come and pick out their countertops. This is amazing.
Absolutely, it was a pleasure having you in here. Thanks for coming, I really enjoyed this tour.
If you found this video interesting, hit like and subscribe to our channel to be notified anytime we post new videos. And if you have questions, especially about countertops, drop them in the comments below. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. So always remember to dream big and remodel smart.